Okay, we're at the wheel here. We're taking a slight detour. We got Castro, the co-pilot. Oh, this is in forward now. We're just following this road. Destroyer. Soundtrack. That's Ahura Mazda. Horn. Not sure how safe or legal it is to drive like this, but anyway. We're supposedly following, we're in search of some pictographs. I think it's Agawa, and I believe I've been here before as a child. Just following this road. Lake Superior should be coming into view in minutes. I think it's I think it's the largest lake in the world. It's an absolute wonder. I've driven by it a couple times already. We got boat launch, buses, parking. I don't know where we go here. That's the best way. Well, there's some parking spots. Let's just go look at the boat launch. That might be a bit more cinematographic, if that's such a word. Shift up first. Second, let's just get to Lake Superior. Hey, Castro, baby? The biggest lake in the world. Okay. Oh, you're happy dog. There we go. You can see it now. See it slightly through the Sinclair Cove. Oh, look at this beautiful lake. Look at this lake, Castro. It's on a coastal trail. Let's have a look here.
I was on the outs for a while, but now things are alright. Gave you a flower.
Oh, there's Agua. Agawa. Let's go up here. Look at this way.
Never enough. Your head gets filled with that stuff.
Agawa.
Your head gets filled with that
Here we are. This is beautiful Lake Superior. Someone's got the right idea for a hermit shack. A little bit too public for my liking. Nevertheless, hey Castro? Nevertheless, we go run and play. Okay, just wait, you little girl.